Welcome. The OpenBOM platform offers many ways to integrate with your existing or planned enterprise data sources and applications, such as CAD, PDM, PLM, ERP, financial services, online catalogs, and much more. There are three primary ways to integrate with OpenBOM. Through our out-of-the-box integrations to many popular CAD and business applications, through our partner solutions, and of course through our APIs. Whether you're starting at our OpenBOM training portal for documentation to master the ready-to-use import or export functions, or installing one of our many out-of-the-box integrations for CAD or business applications like NetSuite or QuickBooks, OpenBOM lets you bring formerly siloed information and product data to your enterprise. A need to customize your integration? The API and CAD integration toolkit unlocks the power of OpenBOM data structures through a modern, well-documented API. Finally, if you need a little help or a lot of help with a specific solution, be sure to check out our growing ecosystem of domain experts. Our partners bring expertise on integrations to the next level. Check out our website for a complete list of partners. Thanks for taking this tour with me of OpenBOM for Enterprise. You can always learn more at openbom.com.